Hey, welcome back to the series of Business Studies Chapter 5 Organizing. In this video, we are going to learn about advantage and disadvantage of functional structure. By the way, this is OBC online business class. If you are new to this channel, it's worth subscribing, so consider it. From previous video, we know about what is functional structure. So now we are starting with the advantage of it. The first advantage is it is based on a specialization, since it gives importance to specific function. This leads to promote efficiency in utilization of manpower and also improve performance. Second advantage, it also helps to promote and control with coordination in departments because of similarity. Third advantage, it helps in increasing managerial and operational efficiency, and it helps to result in increasing profit. Next point is, it leads to minimize duplication of efforts, which result in economy of scale, and this lowers the cost. Moving on to next point, it makes training of employees easier as the focus is only on limited range of skills. Next advantage, it ensures that different functions get required attentions or necessity attentions. These are all the advantage. Now moving on to the disadvantage. The first point is a functional structure places less importance on overall organization objective than the objective pursued by the functional head. So sometimes this practice may lead to the particular function may be over highlighted and also delay in interaction between the two or more departments. Second disadvantage, as differentiated in departments, it will lead to problems in coordination as information exchange. Moving on to the next point, a conflict of interest may arise with the interests of two or more departments are not compatible. For example, the sales department insisting on customer-friendly design sometime that may cause difficulty in production. Such decision can prove to be harmful to the organization. Interdepartmental conflicts can also arise in the absence of clear separation of responsibility. Moving on to next point, it may lead to inflexibility as people with the same skill and knowledge base may develop a narrow perspective and thus have difficulty in appreciating any other perspective views. Functional head do not get trained from a top management position because they are unable to gather experience in diverse areas. These are the disadvantages of functional structure. If you find this video helpful, share it. Click here to watch the next series, which is on advantage and disadvantage on division and structure. Support us by subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next series.